tight. Maybe I need to brush them out. The curl is really nice, but it's just so flat. Oh my god. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cassandra and welcome to Vlogmas. It is the second Vlogmas vlog of this year and I am so excited yet so stressed at the same time. Excited because today we're going to Nashville and I'm so freaking excited. I've been to Nashville once in 2019 and I wasn't even 21 yet, so I'm excited to experience it like now that I'm gonna be turning 26, which is like crazy to think, but anyway, stressed because I work full-time now. This is like my first year ever working full-time and the holidays and my birthday's coming up, and I am going to Nashville for my birthday, but on my actual birthday, which is the 22nd, I decided to host like a little slumber party themed birthday party. It's mainly inspired by like the Princess Diaries, like when they have the slumber party and they go down the stairs with the mattress and everything, and I'm so excited for that. But the reason why I'm stressed is because when I come back from Nashville, I go straight to work, and then that weekend is my birthday and there's just like no time to like plan anything because I've been working all week this week too, and I'm actually gonna work today. I'm gonna have a little half day at work and then we'll get into that later. But another thing is just it's kind of turning into something else, like not in a bad way. My intentions was that I wanted it to be kind of, you know, small, cozy, quiet, relaxing, and now it's like more of like a party, which is like okay because it's all like my friends, but I'm only stressed because I'm someone who gets stressed about my birthday, especially if I'm gonna plan like a party. And now that there's more people going than I expected, now I have to actually like really like plan and decorate, which is exciting, but because I'm gonna be in Nashville then I go straight to work, I just don't have that much time. But I don't want to think about it too much. I know everything will all work out, but it's also funny because I was thinking about it. When I turned 16, the same exact thing happened. I was gonna have like a little ugly sweater get together sort of thing, and you know, in high school when you're like, oh, if I invite this person I need to invite this person, then it turned into a whole other thing as well. It was fun either way, and it's like funny because I'm like doing the same thing. I'm like gonna have it at my house, this and that, and I reconnected with some people from high school, so they're gonna come to my birthday this year, and it's just funny because here we are 10 years later in the same situation. But either way, I know it'll be fun. I'm just more stressed about like planning and all of that. And another thing is I just have had no time to Christmas shop. So I've started, but yeah, I love the holidays, but everything's kind of just like coming at me all at once. But anyway, I do have to go to work today. I'm gonna have a little half day, and I'm like partially prepared for my flight tonight. It is a red eye, so I have a lot of time, but I haven't like really packed anything, so we have some like last minute packing. I'm gonna attempt to get my nails done after work today and we'll see how that goes. So let's get ready for work. So I packed my cosmetics and like my toiletries and all that last night, so I already have it all right here, and I just like left it here because I'm like I still need to use it anyway. I have my little Ziploc bag so I can put like my face serums and stuff in it. Where's my face wash? This stuff has made my skin so much better, and like you can literally just get it at CVS, the Market, Target, and so affordable. Unfortunately, I can't bring it with me, so I'm gonna bring a tiny Youth to the People face wash. This was my birthday gift from Sephora, so I'll bring that with me because this is just like too big, so no need to bring it. But the peroxyl stuff is so good. Into the Ziploc bag. I'm 100% bringing my gouache with me. I feel like I've just been on such a roll with it. I have tried to do this in the past and I just like never keep up with it. And these past few months, I've been pretty good at it. Okay, I'm like debating if I want to bring these like heatless curl things. It's like the one that goes around your head. This comes out very similar to this, and I never like how my front pieces come out, but it's gonna be my sister, my cousin going, and I feel like we're all gonna fight for the Dyson. So like, do I save time and just do heatless curls? Maybe I'll just do the sock thing, and then like before heading out I could just like add some curls on the top, like what I'm gonna do today. This did come out cool though. It's pretty good for socks. I just don't like how flat the top of my head is, but whatever. Speaking of my hair, I recently got this hair oil, and I got the travel size so I can bring it to Nashville. I suck at pronouncing things, so this brand, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna add some into my hair right now. Oh shoot, that was stupid because I'm gonna add curls to the top of my head, but whatever, it's fine. Into the Ziploc. I need to bring some of these with me. I'm not gonna take the whole thing though, so I'll take like a nice little chunk like that. Oh. Oh, my brushes. I haven't even bothered to pack the brushes. I don't know why I'm like pounding this into my face as if I'm in a rush, whereas if I'm running late, I'm actually getting ready like pretty early. I have time. Maybe it's because I know I have to pack, potentially get my nails done, and because I have to catch a flight, I'm like, oh, I have to hurry up, but okay, this would actually be a good gift idea. So Merit had these, it was like a box set of 3 lipsticks, and this was one of them. This is in the shade Black Tie, and all 3 shades were so beautiful. And I know it was a gift set, but I got it for myself. But the finishing and the way it just feels on your lips is so nice, and these are all the shades. If you're not sure what to get somebody, but you know they like makeup, get these. They're like 3 staple shades. So this one's red. This is the one I'm gonna wear and take with me to Nashville. And then there's like a brownish sort of, kind of like my road cheek stuff. And then there's like a mauve pink. So highly recommend if you're unsure what to get somebody. And we are done. That was the fastest I've ever done my makeup. And you know what? Packing my stuff the night before, knowing I need my makeup the next day, was a good test because I did not have to rummage through my bathroom for anything. At least I now know for sure that everything is in this pouch. So that stuff is done. Okay, here's my outfit for today for work. I just decided to go very cozy, casual, just because it's only a half day. I also did not add extra curls to my hair because I'm just gonna come home, take off my makeup. I'm gonna be in the plane. Plain air is gonna ruin my hair anyway, so it's fine. Also, I do want to take these jeans with me to Nashville, but they are like freshly washed, so they're a little like crispy, crunchy, so maybe I'll just like loosen them up. But got my Uggs on. I have my suitcase over here. Like I said, I am prepared. I kind of packed some things, and I didn't plan a ton of outfits, so when I come home I'm gonna plan a few more outfits, but these are some things that I know I want to bring for sure. I just kind of want to throw together some outfits just so I don't overpack. I have some of my camera things here just because I know when I'm about to leave for the airport, there's just like those few tiny things that I just know I'm about to forget, and I know my camera stuff is one of them. And if I don't bring my camera stuff, I know I'm gonna be so upset. So have this laid out here. I should probably write a list, like a do not forget list. So my camera stuff, I tend to forget pajamas, a toothbrush, accessories, which isn't like that important, but for some reason I like never care to lay out like earrings and stuff. My phone charger, of course, and that's it, I believe. I'm hoping that's it. I hope I don't forget anything, but okay, I think I'm good. I'm gonna head out for work. Oh, also, I got ready so quickly, and I was like, oh my god, I got ready so fast. That's the first time I've ever gotten ready so quickly. I forgot to put on sunscreen, and I am such a sunscreen fanatic. It's like my favorite skincare to purchase, and Oh, it just feels so wrong to not have sunscreen on. I'm just like, my face is gonna get ruined, but it's too late. My face is done. I gotta go, so let's head out. Let's go to work. Okay, I have a few packages that I need to quickly drop off for work, and it's about 1 o'clock right now. And then after I drop off these packages, I'm going to head back to the showroom, work for another hour, and then we're gonna head out and get my nails done. Okay, I am clearly back from the nail salon. Here are my nails. They're like a jelly red, very festive, very Christmassy. I'm currently starting to actually pack. Like I said, I did pack a few, not like pack a few outfits, but I like planned a few outfits in my head. And there's 2 that I know for sure that are gonna look good. But I just wanna be prepared. So I have 2 outfits, so I need 2 more. And I completely forgot that I made this, but I made a Pinterest board called I don't know what to wear, and this is what it looks like. I just pinned a bunch of these outfit collages that it really reminds me of Polyvore, which was like my favorite website to use when I was younger. So I have this, and there's one outfit I have in mind because I basically own like all of these pieces. So I'm gonna see if it looks good. So I'm gonna try it on really quickly. This is it. This is the outfit. So I have a leather jacket like this, obviously got a white shirt. I'm thinking the jeans that I'm wearing right now, and then I have these shoes and I have this scarf. So we're gonna see how that looks. And then for the 4th outfit, I may just throw in something that I've worn multiple times that I just know looks good, which I'm staring at it right now. I'm gonna do my version of this outfit, which would be, oh my god, which would be a red cardigan that I have that's actually folded up there. Probably the jeans I'm wearing right now, maybe some baggier jeans that I'm taking. I have Uggs on, and I have like a big brown bag that I'll bring. And then I need to bring like one nice dinner outfit. I don't know for sure if I'm actually gonna go to a nice restaurant, but it doesn't hurt to bring a nice dress. So I'm thinking of my Thanksgiving dress, which I love so much. It's like the lacy dress, which I'll show you guys in a second. And okay, I'm gonna try on that one leather jacket outfit really quickly. I'll show you guys, and then I'm gonna finally start putting shit in my suitcase so we can get the ball rolling. But all right, let's try this outfit on. Here's the outfit on. I actually really like it. I don't know why. For some reason, I was like, I'm probably not gonna be the biggest fan. It's gonna be like one of those like, whatever outfits, but I like this. This is cute. This is the big bag I said I was gonna bring, but it fits enough. Fits my wallet, fits my camera, fits everything I bring. I don't bring a ton with me. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this outfit with Uggs, but I'm trying to limit myself with shoes. I feel like shoes and jackets just take up way too much space in the suitcase, so I'm trying to bring at least like only 2 pairs of shoes, which maybe to some people that's crazy, but I feel like I can do it. But maybe I will bring the red ones. I think the reds could be cool. Okay, I keep saying I don't want to bring too much, but now ideas are coming to my head. But I think this jacket could look really cute, like the same concept as the last outfit, but with this jacket. So the same scarf, same shoes. I think Uggs could be, I don't want to bring too many shoes. Okay, I think I'm gonna bring a solid 3 shoes. 3 shoes, okay. Scarf. Cute. And then I would, which foot has the Uggs? Here we go. Uggs. This is the jacket I'm bringing for sure. It's this little wool cropped coat that I got from Club Monaco, and it has a little detachable scarf. I know this is gonna look really cute with these jeans, white top, and I'm bringing black cowboy boots. They look really cute underneath jeans, so that's a for sure outfit. And I'm doing the same concept but with a skirt. So I'm gonna bring the skirt just in case. I'll bring this outfit just in case, and then the black leather jacket one. And then if I want to bring a nice dinner outfit, here's my Thanksgiving dress. So I could just put tights underneath this, cowboy boots, this brown jacket. Okay, we're set. We have outfits. Here is the final spread. Also, I turn on the lights because we're losing daylight and I'm just like talking here in the dark. But here's the final spread. This is a lot more than I just said I'd bring. So everything I said earlier, ignore that. Did I know this was gonna happen? Yes, I did, okay? And I did decide to take 3 pairs of shoes. So I have my cowboy boots, my Uggs, and my Adidas. Okay, I think I'm good. All right, let's begin packing.